Hey guys, it's Frank from Get the Gold 777. So what do you do if you got some big ore and you want to break it down? Well, you can pound it with a hammer and then put it in a dolly pot and smash it up and probably mess up your arms in the process. Or you can roast it. Roast it like 1,000+ degrees for about 15 minutes and it just crumbles. It is the coolest thing. One of the users suggested that we stick it in vinegar for 24 to 48 hours. And that'll make the ore fall apart even faster. So I did that. We soaked it for 24 hours. Another user said that once we cool it off in the cold water to keep it agitated, that way the steam won't form on the outside of it. It just lets the cold water keep hitting it over and over again, which makes it even fracture even further. So we're gonna try that too. So let's get going. I picked this up at a tailings pile a while back. And I did a sample of it before, didn't find any gold, but it's just too much of a pain in the butt to break it up. This time we're gonna try roasting it and see if that helps. Also a different piece I found. It looks kind of cool. And a couple other pieces. So we're gonna roast these and see if we can get some of the gold out just a little bit faster. The first thing we need is a nice hot bed of coals. Once you got the hot bed of coals, we're just gonna slide the ore right in there and just let it roast. We'll use our thermometer to see when it reaches 1,000 degrees plus, and then we'll pull it out. After we slip the ore in, we'll put some more wood on top of it. And that should do it. See, it's shown high, which means that it's above 1,000 degrees. And that's good enough to roast. All right, let's build it up, make it really hot. I have no idea what kind of gas this emits. I've heard differing stories. Some research says no gas escapes, other people said poisonous gas. So while I'm doing this, I keep a respirator on. And when I'll stick it in the water, I'll wear a respirator and of course, a little eye protection, just to be on the safe side. Check that out. Wow. see what we can. See how brittle that is? It just breaks right apart. How awesome is that? Some very fine powder in there. We'll just snuff it up and show you in a bit. Okay, I switched to a blue dish so I can see it better. Let's see what we can see. Let's get better light here. Super fine gold up there. With some black sand. Isn't that pretty? All right, let's snuff it up.